Supplements that claim to boost metabolism and support weight loss are everywhere, and Nutra Neo Drops is one of those products marketed as a natural metabolic enhancer. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it mostly marketing talk? Let's break it down. So Nutra Neo's metabolic balance drops are liquid drops made from plant extracts and minerals like berberine, Ceylon cinnamon, bitter melon, and chromium, which are intended to support metabolic functions, digestion, and daily energy as part of a balanced routine. These ingredients are often associated with metabolic health and energy support in supplement circles. Here's the reality: while components like berberine and cinnamon have some research suggesting modest effects on metabolism or glucose regulation, no supplement, including Nutra Neo Drops, has strong clinical proof that it dramatically boosts metabolism or melts fat on its own. Most experts agree that meaningful metabolic changes come from diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle, not a single bottle of drops. On the product side, you can see positive testimonials claiming increased energy and better wellness, but these are not independently verified. Independent reviewers and health professionals warn that any feel good effects could easily be placebo or part of broader lifestyle changes. The bottom line: Nutra Neo drops may support general metabolic wellness and energy as part of a balanced routine, but there's no strong evidence it actually boosts metabolism enough to cause significant weight loss on its own. Think of it as a possible small supportive tool, not a magic solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.